Hey guys, it's Imon and as you can see that it's raining outside and I'm loving the view, so I thought that why don't I share the view with you guys. Look at the rain, man. The green leaves and the raindrops makes the perfect weather. I love rain, when it comes and I feel like why don't I go outside and have a shower in the rain? And it's always cool from my childhood till now, and seeing the green leaves and all those makes me really cheerful about it. So, guys, you can see the green leaves, and the green always makes me wonder how beautiful the nature is, and I love the nature, and in this season I love it more. And you guys can hear the sound of the rain, and for that my sound is unclear. Yes, I'm loving the view. I'm loving the rain, the sound of the rain, and loving the atmosphere. So guys, this is a new channel, so this is a mainly vlog channel, so if you guys want to be connected with me, please do subscribe my channel so that we can explore, we can travel, we can do whatever we want, and we can have fun and lots and lots more. I want to go outside now. So I'll have to say bye to you guys. Hope we'll meet pretty soon. And yeah, peace out.